On the entertainment box, we have 110 outlets right here that also have USB ports as well. So you can charge your phone, your computer, you can plug in the refrigerator to right here. You can do a lot of things. There is a 110 outlet here. There's also a 110 outlet in the back that is identical to this, as well as right behind the kitchen pod. So 3 110 outlets dispersed in the back, the middle, and the front of the van. What you see right here is the carbon monoxide CO2 detector. So if there's any trace of CO2, carbon monoxide, or poisonous gas, this will automatically alert whoever's in here with an extremely loud noise alert. So this is a safety mechanism that always stays with the van. That is the second outlet, and that is 2 110 outlets as well as 2 USB ports. Plugged into that outlet currently is a laptop charger as well as refrigerator is plugged into that. And here is the last outlet ports. So 2 110s, 2 USBs, and here we actually have HDMI hookups. So if you wanted to hook up your laptop or you wanted to hook up an Xbox and play it on the television, you could do that.